After Pakistan's 10 wickets when our India, the Dubai field saw an opportunity that fans of both countries would not have much hope for. After the match, India captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni appeared on the field. Babar Azam talked to Dhoni after the match. Dhoni also congratulated the Pakistani cricketers on their victory in a good atmosphere and also gave tips. Meanwhile, Shoaib Malak, Hamad Wasim, Babar Azam, and Shahnawaz Dhani were also present. Dhani also took a photo with Dhoni. Meanwhile, Pakistani senior player Shoaib Malak introduced as junior players to Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Shoaib Malak Dhoni meets the junior players of Pakistan and seeing him he said that we consider Dhoni as our role model. Being a fan of Dhoni in Pakistan is a little different. Often Pakistan and India are seen as two enemy countries. There are World Cup and Asia Cup matches between the two teams. Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan put the match aside and lead their team to victory by 10 wickets before Shansha Afridi took the wickets of Rohit Sharma, Pujara and Virat Kohli.